spring, summer, fall. Do you know when we get them all?
So, instead of her making this cheesy poem, let's talk about seasons. Seasons, why do they happen? Soyeon, do you know why?
Yes, I do. The Earth moves around the Sun in almost a circular path called an orbit. When it does, the process is called a revolution. It takes about 365 days, which is a year in Earth.
As Earth revolves around the Sun, there's a thing called the axis. The axis is an invisible line that runs through the center of the Earth. The axis is what makes the Earth tilt.
That's right. But first, let's watch an example of the Earth and how this process actually works. The Earth spins around this axis in a fixed angle about 23.5 degrees tilt.
So as you can see, the people in North are getting ready for summer and the people in South are getting ready for winter.
Put your flashlights on as pointed at the middle of the map. As you can see, there's a circular motion going on. Now lean the flashlight and you will see that the light almost stretches until the end of the map.
The time it takes for the Earth to make a full rotation is 24 hours. That's a day on Earth.
Earth's axis is tilted toward the Sun. That's why the northern and southern hemisphere relative different amounts of sunlight.
The northern line is called the Tropic of Cancer and the southern line is called the Tropic of Capricorn.
Between the tropic and polar zone, there are temperate zone. The temperate zone is the area between Earth's tropical zone and polar zone, where the climate is relatively mild.
Now should we go and see an example of the temperature? So we're in Norway right now, and it's summer, and it's 22 degrees, and it feels pretty chilly because of the wind. In Oslo, it's summer, but because it's closer to the northern hemisphere, it almost never gets hot.
I'm in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil right now. The weather's currently 32 degrees. Rio is close to the equator, so it never gets too cold. Here is winter now, but as you can see, it doesn't snow, and it's also very hot.